Alright, welcome everyone. Another day, a little more assembly on the stair stepper doodad. If all goes well, we should pretty quickly have this assembled onto the main superstructure. So, no time like the present. These, I'm assuming these are going to be, yeah, because they're lined up. I guess this is still technically a camshaft, even though all the cams are going to end up being the same. I looked at the I peeked ahead. Here we go. There's nothing. Oh, okay. That's what these things are. These are to hold the cams upright. Okay, there's some more coming. Okay. I was getting confused. Let's see, and that goes... I can't tell. It looks like... Okay, I'm supposed to be going from this end here, and okay, maybe it's put them all the way up. Maybe this is supposed to be, at this point it won't matter, I don't think. You just want them all facing the same upwards direction. And these, just put that in there. These are all supposed to be just the cam, I guess for lack of a better term, supposed to be dead center on the little supports there, and there's going to be a frame around them to keep them there. Okay, so they're actually pushing against those things. They're not keeping them in line. Okay, I can see. I see that. I see how that's going now. Now, and I guess this is actually supposed to be all the way in against that. Unless I will line that up better next time. Or when it becomes necessary. These two spacers, it's supposed to be all the way in, and two spacers on here, the gear on after that. That gear goes, actually, it appears the spacers, okay, they're going to mount. Okay, spacers go, gear just barely goes on the end, and the spacers go towards that end. Okay, I got it. I'm seeing what I'm picking up what they're putting down here. Oh, now we're actually going ahead and put it on the structure. Okay, thought I was gonna do the other stuff first. Okay, so that. Okay, we got our little dragonfly thing we put on like the first day, I think, wasn't it? First or second day. And this goes, these, that's going to push against the gear. What am I catching on? Okay, look. Okay, got it. Okay, I got this. I'll show you this. These slots are for the cam lobes, and these are for the feet. So that should get everything lined up. Missed you. Come on. Get everybody to cooperate here. Okay. Yep. You. And you go all the way through, and Energy meshing. Because this thing keeps coming. Okay, because this is in a bind there. Okay, okay. Handy dandies to the rescue. Here, go there. There's where you're sticking. I think. Yeah, that's the only place I see it not cooperating. Which way do you need to go? You need to come. I don't have much visibility in there. That's wiggle and a jiggle. Oh, what's it? Could be that. Yeah, that's what it was. The spacer wasn't going through. Okay. Everybody good in there, and there, and there, and there. Yep, everything's down. Okay, that wasn't breaking, that just popped off. Get y'all in, and then... Okay, we got another gear in our meshing system here. Let's see if I can get it turned. Let's do. Pull my handle off again. Yeah, that's pleasing. All right. Now we'll get to build another little on the side here. Where am I down? Ooh, saying build it separately, then put it on. Gutsy. Hey. These guys go here and here. I absolutely see myself breaking some of these little tiny pieces here. Okay. From the top, maybe. That works too. Okay. Okay, and you guys. Drop into those slots on the side. If you behave yourselves nicely. Okay. Okay. I managed to do it without breaking. Still got good clearance on our lobes. That's going to be a nice effect having them pop out like that. And we do... I don't know why we didn't do all this while it was down the ground. Okay. Does that go? Yeah, there's supposed to be a hole back there for it to go into too. Okay. There it went. I heard the beginning of the cracking sound. I didn't like that. Yeah. Still. Yep. And I still got access over here to put my, if I need to put the Vaseline in to get the lubrication going. But so far it's moving surprisingly freely. Good to know. Now it does say you may use the file to put this piece in. Just brace the file against the back here. Squeeze it in. Too far. Maybe that's what I was talking about. Crank back over here. Real. Keep going. Yeah. Still not crazy about the wobble on the drive gear here. I wish we'd sort of. There's something to stabilize that. Sort of. Looks like it's just barely catching on. I guess it's solid enough for our purposes. Can I do anything but that's... Seems like there should be one more. Well, no, because it's just barely got clearance on this one because it's pushing. Yeah. Okay. Alright, but that's still... Yeah, see that. I think that'll be a cool effect when I say them coming out like that to say hello. Alright. Let's see here. Now that's all the pieces I had, but I'm going to go ahead and stop her there for a second and pull some more and we'll make some more progress. Be right back. Okay, with a little luck this last little bit will be pretty quick. Doesn't seem like it's going to be too complicated. Going like that. And this guy, yeah, like this. Here. This guy going that direction. Here. Okay, you go back here. Yeah, onto this one. It's got its little peg down at the bottom. It goes in there. Way down there. Okay. It's actually got slots over here it's going to go into on our stair stepper system. I don't think it's all the way down yet. Oh, okay. Let's check on the bottom. No, it is not. There it went. Now, stair steppers. Yeah, snug in there. And this. And locks into place there. Yeah. Nice. We got it. Like I say, this thing is very... I've commented before how sturdy this is. This is really feeling quite rigid. Very good. Like I say, they really got this thing. They knew what they were doing, evidently. Okay, now where am I at? Over here. Okay, this one oriented like that. Something else I've noticed about this company that I'm really liking is the fact that they only have the one size peg. They just it makes it a whole lot easier than trying to figure out, well, does this one go with that one and that one go with this one, that one, where they've just put them all and said, yep, this is the one. It seems to be a pretty good system that they've developed too, as far as the good squeeze fit on the peg and make sure everything works right. Okay, now you go. Okay, and here I've seen these squeeze tracks before. Give them a little bit of squeeze in and just pop it into there. Well, yeah, peel a little bit of the veneer off there. And that's going to give us get one of the marbles out. Do a demo run here off from the top view. This should be pretty dramatic. You go down there. And let's see which way you're going to go. And we'll have a track over here whenever it comes back around. Alright. I like it. That seems like a good place to stop. Actually, there's going to be another spot here before it drops off there. Wasn't even paying attention to that. See, it's coming together, and with I've been noticing I've got a lot of blank. I've used up, I think 3 of the forms are empty now, so we're down to just three or four more left that actually have things on them. They've all been fairly well emptied too. So where am I at? I'm on step 39 out of 47. Yeah, I should be able to do 7 steps tomorrow. All right. So I think we should finish this one up tomorrow. Like I said, I'm very pleased with it. I'm looking forward to seeing how it works with the batteries in it. I'm looking forward to be able to shoot one without having to stick my hand over here and shoot with one hand. But this is I'm liking this one. I've done very little research on this company. This is the only marble run thing that they do. They usually have remote control cars, but I guess that gave them access to electric motors to use in here. So that might be sort of the crossover. But like I say, I've been thoroughly impressed with them so far. It's like I say, it's a nice sturdy build. It's going together reasonably easily. I would like, I think they need to clarify when and where to use the lubricant more, and the instructions. But other than that, it's just been a really nice build, to be honest. So, thanks for watching, everybody. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share, do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another, stay healthy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.